Welcome folks, and today we're going to talk about what's happening this week at B&B Audioconcepts, Cardiff Tint and Cardiff Remap. Where I'm getting a little bit famous, I thought I'll change my hair and wear a nice top for you, just for the video. What we've got today is this Audi RS6. It's in for dash cams and reverse cam. Quickly show you. So in this one here, focus there, bang it into reverse, and we've got reverse camera fitted to the OE screen. Okay, on this Porsche here, we've just done a tracker. And what we've done in this one is a tracker, also another reverse cam, again into the OE system. And if I just press this, oh, I've got to shut this door, sorry, watch out. Okay, so on this Porsche here, the tracker now protects the vehicle. So we put it into reverse, and we've got the rear visual, and with the PDC for the parking sensors. Okay, let's jump out of this. Okay, this bad boy here, Mitsubishi truck, bit of a beast this one. This one here has had a huge sound system. It's had front and rear thinkware dash cams, it's had a ghost, it's had a tracker. The coolest feature we've done is the roof LEDs. Give it that Rolls-Royce Starlight touch. And we've given it blue seat belts as well from black. So yeah, quite a big job on this one. Ghost, tracker, front speakers, back speakers, subwoofers, amplifiers. Okay, and then the final jobs we got for this afternoon that are already in the workshop. We've got this T5. This is having a reverse camera, a Kenwood multimedia navigation unit. We're also doing front and rear speakers in this one. So it's in bits at the moment, but it's a job in progress. And then this one here, we have, what is this? We have an X3 B&W, all stripped, being prepped for a reverse camera. I think the reverse camera is in already. So that's what we got in today. Over at Josh's today, we've got this lovely Ford in, bronze, brown, metallic, amazing colour, and fair play with the wheels. Once this is finished, it's going to look pretty good. And this one over here, well, he wanted the colour of the Pakistani flag, and this is military green. On this one, we've got all that, doors out, full internals. This is going to be lovely. I'll keep you posted on this one. Over here, we have a Golf. This is Nardo Grey. This one is matching my clothes and my hair, and that's the theme today. So, can't really complain. Full wrap, looks absolutely awesome. And in the background here, we've still got the Quality Street orange Focus. It's sort of slowly coming together, but the customer's away, so it's not a priority. So over at Cardiff Remap, we've got this Ferrari 430 in. What's it having, Joe? Manifolds. So it's having new manifolds. Always take a picture of the Ferrari engine, because it's a Ferrari! I found it! And then M2 having a remap. Till next time! Anyone know where this goes? It does go in there.